Welcome back to Kellie Can Do. This is video number 4 in this kitchen renovation series, and if you're just joining in, be sure to check out the earlier videos so you can see how this transformation takes place. Beautiful cabinet finishes don't start with paint, they start with preparation. In this video, I'm taking you through the full process of prepping the cabinet doors and drawers for the kitchen and laundry room. From sanding to spraying. It may look like a lot of steps, but this is exactly how you get that smooth, durable finish that looks professionally done. Today is also the final reveal of this kitchen and laundry room renovation. Stick around until the end to see the before and after transformation. The first step is sanding the cabinet doors using 180 grit sandpaper. I'm sanding the front, the back, and every edge of the doors to get everything ready for primer. And you'll notice I'm keeping them organized. Just like I mentioned in the earlier videos, I group the doors together so I'll know exactly where they go when it's time to reinstall. Once the sanding is done, I blow the dust off, wipe everything down, and move on to the next group of doors. Next, I'm cleaning the drawers with Crud Cutter to remove any grease or residue. I also had to use a putty knife to get some built-up gunk out of the inside corners. And it's not just the drawer fronts getting painted, the inside of the drawers will be painted too. Once the drawers were cleaned, I sanded them with 180 grit sandpaper, both inside and out. After that, I blew the dust off and wiped them down to get them ready for the next step. You might notice my daughter making an appearance here. She helped me get a jump start on sanding the interior doors, which will be the next video release. Now that everything is sanded and clean, I've got the cabinet doors and drawers set up on paint tripods, ready to spray the first coat of primer. I spray the back side of the doors first, then flip them to spray the front when dry. After the primer dries, I lightly sand all the doors and drawers with 220 grit sandpaper. Then I wipe everything down to get a smooth surface for the first coat of paint. I did give the drawers another coat of primer just like I did with the dark stained cabinets. When dry, I gave them another light sanding. It's time for the first coat of paint. I'm using Pearly White in Satin by Sherwin-Williams from their Emerald Urethane Trim Enamel line. I spray the backs of the doors first, then flip them over once dry to coat the front side, making sure everything is smooth and even. I also needed more space, so I moved into the garage too. With bad weather coming, it was the safest way to keep everything protected while the paint dried. The next day, bad weather did move in and I had to close the garage door. Thank goodness I moved everything in and set it up yesterday. I'm sanding with 320 grit sandpaper, wiping as I go and blowing off any remaining dust, getting everything ready for the final coat. After sanding, the rain stopped long enough for me to crack the garage door open. That gave me just enough time to spray the final coat on the backs of the doors. The next day, I'm flipping the doors over to spray the final coat on the front, bringing the cabinets to their finished, professional look. With the paint fully dry, I'm reinstalling the hardware and hanging the doors back on the cabinets. I attach each pull, then carefully put the doors in place so everything lines up perfectly. I want to take a minute to say how much your support truly means to me. Hitting the like button and subscribing to Kellie Can Do is what helps this channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you real, hands-on content just like this. This is how you support the work I'm doing and how you get practical step-by-step projects you can actually use in your own home. And don't forget to leave a comment, whether you have questions, need a little extra help, or just want to let me know what you think about this transformation. I love hearing from you, and I'm always happy to help. And here's the final reveal. The cabinets and drawers are fully painted, hardware is back in place, and the finish looks smooth and professional. Plus, you can see the renovated backsplash completed earlier. It ties the whole kitchen together beautifully. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Kellie Can Do, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And if you're just joining the series, check out the early videos to see the full kitchen transformation. Remember, you can do this. Next up, the interior doors, all 12 of them. And let me tell you, they were almost the death of me. You won't want to miss it.